Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Three, like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Four, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is about parallel lines and transversal. And this is Mathematics 7, Quarter 3, Week 3. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, parallel lines um, and transversal. What would you call two lines which do not intersect? So we call them parallel. Okay, so they call a parallel is a solid arrow placed on two lines of a diagram indicate the lines are parallel. Okay, so these are the two lines that are parallel. We have line AB and line AC. So the symbol, okay, so this symbol is used to indicate parallel lines. So line AB and line AC is parallel to line AC. Parallel lines and transversal. So a slash, no, a slash through a parallel line or a parallel symbol indicates lines are not parallel like this, no. So this is not parallel. Okay, so AB or line AB is not parallel to line AC. Okay, a line, ray, or segment that indicates two or more coplanar lines, rays, or segments. Okay, so we have here parallel lines. So we have two parallel lines. Okay, so these are the two parallel lines here. Now, in the parallel, and this is our transversal. So this one is our transversal. And in a parallel line, so we have the exterior or nasa labas, and the one inside of the parallel lines is interior. Okay, so we call it interior. For non-parallel lines, we have the interior and exterior here. No? So, bakit hindi parallel yan? Because as you can see, magdudugtong yan dito, no? They will cross eventually. So, this is not a parallel line, but an intersecting line. Okay? Transversal. So, a transversal is a line, no? Which indicates two or more lines in a plane. So, in the intersected lines do not have to be parallel. Okay, so here, no, this is our transversal. Okay? So lines J, K, and M are intersected by line T. Therefore, line T is the transversal lines of J, K, and M. No. So the space inside two lines, so we call it interior. And the space outside the two lines are called the exterior. Okay? So that's the difference between interior and exterior. Now we have the special angle relationship. Okay, so for how we have interior angles. So for angle A, angle 3, no, and angle 6, we call them alternate interior. And also with 4 and 5. Okay, that is interior angle. Then we have also same side interior angle. For same side interior angle, so we have 3 and 5, and also 4 and 6. Okay. For the exterior angles, 1 and 8. Okay, so we have the exterior angles. Okay, and then 2 and 7. And we have the same side exterior angle. We have 1 and 7. And angle 2 and angle 8 are the same side exterior angles. So we familiarize with different names of the special angle relationship. Okay, so special angle relationships when when the lines are parallel. Okay, so if you have a parallel line, so we have what we call alternate interior angles, or alternate interior angles are congruent. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Same side interior angles are congruent, are supplementary, and same side exterior angles are supplementary. Okay. So in terms of one and or what we call this one alternate interior, which 3 and 6 they are congruent, no? Because they have the same side. Okay, so also for alternate exterior angles, they are also congruent. Corresponding angles and consecutive angles. Corresponding angles are two angles that occupy corresponding position. So for example, we have angle 2 and is congruent to angle 6. Yes. Then angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 7. And angle 4 is congruent to angle 8. Okay. Corresponding angles again. So when two parallel lines are cut by transversal, pairs of corresponding angles are formed. Okay. So we have here, we have 4 pairs of corresponding angles, of course. And so we have angle GPB, GPB, okay, so this one, and which is angle and angle PQB, PQE, okay, so these are corresponding, and also angle G and angle Q, no? Or angle GPA and angle PQ or PQD. Okay, so these are the second. We have also angle angle BPQ. So BPQ, okay, BPQ. Where is BPQ? Okay, ito. Now this one is congruent to angle. Okay, this one. No? So we have the color naman. So 4 pairs of corresponding angles, no, are formed. Okay. So corresponding angles are congruent. Okay. So remember to look at these colors, no? So we have the angle P and the angle Q, or the angle EPQ and angle DQF. So corresponding angles. Okay. These are what we call congruent. We have also same side interior and exterior angles. For same side interior angles, these are two angles that lie between parallel lines on the same sides of that transversal. Okay, so we have here the same side interior, okay, same side exterior 2 and 4. So we have same side interior 3 and 5, and same side exterior, which is 1 and 7. Okay. Okay, so two angles that lie outside parallel lines on the same sides are transversal, so we call them same side exterior angles. Okay, and the total measure, of course, is 180 degrees. That means they are supplementary. Okay, so the angles apply on the area between the two parallel lines that are cut by transversal are called interior angles. Okay, so we have the angle BPQ plus the angle E, angle QP, EQP, EQP, no, so this one, that's equal to 180 degrees. Right. So this one, no, this angle and this angle is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so same here, this 180 degrees, same here. So this one to make you happy. Okay, so if you are going to add, no, their total is 180. No, this is cut by transversal. For alternate interior or exterior angles, two angles that lie between fire lines on opposite sides of transversal. Okay, right. So we have here the alternate interior and we have the alternate exterior. Okay, alternate exterior angles are angles that lie outside parallel lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Right, so we have the alternate interior angles. Okay, so two pairs of alternate angles are formed. Pairs of alternate angles are congruent. Of course, because they have the same measurement. So let us try. Okay. So if measure angle 1 is 120, as you can see here, angle 2 is also is 60, no? Because they are congruent. Of course, this side also is congruent, like this. And of course, this one is total is 180 degrees. Okay, it's easy. Alright, another practice. Okay, so find the angle missing the measures or angle measures and name the postulate or theorem that gives us permission to make our statements correct. Actually, no, so if you can see here, no, these three angles, the total measure is 180. Okay, so angle we have here 80 plus 60. That's why we have 180 minus 80 plus 60 is equals to 80. Okay, so as you can see, these are total 180. This is 180. This is 180. This is 180. This is 180. 180, 180, 180, 180. Okay, so that's it. So for questions and clarifications, just write at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, please channel. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you all. Love you, love you.